Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I will be sharing with you this DIY embroidery bag kit. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. It's Carla Core, and you may also follow me on my Facebook page. It's Carla Core Vlogs. And let's get started. And as I mentioned on my introduction, this is an embroidery / bag kit. So not only that I'll be able to do basic embroidery, pero ang outcome niya, mayroon din akong maliit na bag. So I got this kit from Shopee. This is about 399 or 369. So I'll just link it on the description box. So there's a wide range of designs and colors that you can choose from. But I chose this one. This is color black. So I'll be just placing here kung anong itsura ng pattern and yung design niya. So what's inside the embroidery kit is yung ring siya wherein you place the fabric to stretch it out before you embroider. The instruction, so you have the design here and also the different type of stitches that you will be doing in the entire embroidery. So, ayan. And also, it has instructions on how to assemble the bag. The actual fabric, kung saan yung i-embroider ko. So, ayan na siya. And it also has a guide. Merong nakaprint sa kanya kung saan mo siya tatahiin. So, basically, this is for beginners kasi meron siyang pattern na susundan mo. So, this is for the outside of the bag. So, it's color black and it has flower designs. And for the interior of the bag, we have ito, yung bag lining niya. And also, there's a lining para dun sa in-between ng bag. Lastly, it comes with the bag. So, ito na yung hardware ng pinaka-bag. It comes with a chain strap. And also, this one. So, ito yung opening ng bag. Tapos, merong maliit na handle. So, ayan. I'm so excited kasi ang cute niya. Na-imagine ko na kung ano yung magiging itsura niya after this one. So, I'll start with this and I'll get back to you guys. So, just a disclaimer, guys. This is a different design from the one that I was holding during the introduction because I changed my mind, and since I bought 2 sets, so I decided to do this one. So, ito yung mga threads na kasama niya plus the needle. So as I mentioned earlier, nakalagay dito sa guide kung ano yung number ng thread or yung code ng thread na gagamitin. So, it corresponds to the actual thread. So, let's say this one is 07 French bean embroidery. Itong bilog na maliliit. So, this is number 7. So, siya yung gagamitin para doon sa stitch na yon. So, I have my cloth ready. Ito na yung pattern niya. So, yun yung pinakasusundan mo when you do the actual embroidery. And nilagay ko na yung ring. So, it's taut. So, nakastretch siya ng maigi para mas maayos yung pagtatahi natin. I'm done with my embroidery. Natapos ko na lahat ng patterns and designs. So, don't worry about yung mga naiwan na pattern marks because you can wash it off and mawawala na siya. Pero, what I'll do is, tatahiin ko muna siya because meron siyang guide on the sides. And pag nilabhan ko na siya, mawawala tong part na to. So, I'm gonna do that. So, I'm gonna set this aside and start with assembling the bag. So, to start with that, yung lining ng bag, I have it here. This is the lining of the bag. Pre-cut na siya. And also, the stabilizer. So, on one side of the stabilizer, meron siyang adhesive. So, you can stick this to the cloth. So, there. Kapag na-center ko na siya, I can proceed to taking off the backing and sticking the lining to the cloth. Tatahiin na natin yung sides niya. So, as close as possible to this side and also on the other side. And, just make sure na magkapantay yung kanyang stabilizer kasi yun yung magbibigay ng shape doon sa bag. So, don't mind kung hindi pantay yung cloth as long as you have allowance here para sa pagtahi mamaya. So, that's okay. I am done sewing the left and the right side. And now I will have to sew this part of the bag. So this will become the width of the bag. So what to do is you have to pinch it. And make sure everything meets here. And you will have to sew this from here to here to close it up. So, I'm done sewing both sides. So, ito na siya. So, tapos na akong labhan to. And as I mentioned earlier, once you wash this, mawawala na yung guide pattern niya and as well as on the sides. So, since I will have to create or cut pieces here on the side, so kinabit ko siya doon sa lining so I will have a better idea of how to center it and where to place the slits. So, here, I have temporarily placed it with clothespin so I have a better idea kung anong magiging itsura niya when it is done. So, and I made a couple of slits here, left and right, so I'll know where to cut it. So, just make sure na i-center nyo lang siya. Yung design is well centered. So, on the reverse side, I will start sewing this part and also this part. And I'm gonna use black thread. So now that I'm done stitching both sides, I'm now going to stitch the lower part. So what to do is, just like the bag lining, you pinch it. Pinch it like that. And, kariin mo siya. Ganyan. So, now I'm done stitching it. So, ito na siya. Ito na yung corners niya. And, I'm going to place this inside. So, after ko na siya pa-position dito sa loob, I'm now going to start sewing itong upper part. So, I will just have to fold this here and then fold it to. And itatahi mo siya ng ganyan. I'm done sewing the top part. As you can see, natahi na siya. This one, and this one. And now what's left to do is to attach the bag handle. So this bag handle has, as you can see, there are holes on it. So you're gonna sew it dito sa bag. So to do that, I want to center it first since intentionally the bag is bigger than the handle. As you can see, I am done sewing one side of the bag. And this is how it looks like. I'm just a bit disappointed with the reverse side because you can see the stitches here. And mas maganda sana kung transparent yung sinulit. But then again, on the other side, I used clothespin to help me secure it in place before I start stitching it. So, yes, that is it. I'll get back to you with the final product.
And I'm back! Natapos ko na ang aking mini project. So, here you go. Here it is. This is how it looks like. So, ayan. Sobrang cute niya, no? Actually, overall experience, I enjoy doing this. And not only that I enjoyed it. At least it's something that I can use whenever I go out. So, madali lang siyang tahiin. I enjoyed doing the embroidery. It took me like maybe 2 to 3 days to do it. And I just want to show you how the lining looks like. So, that is how it looks like inside. So, it has a sturdy fabric that you insert in between the outside and the inside of the bag. So, kaya it gives it the shape. So, overall experience, it was fun. I enjoyed it. Though, I needed to do some research. I googled some stuff. And just to make sure that I'm doing the right thing. Because this is one set lang and I can't make a mistake. So, for those of you that want to do this, by the end of this video, I will be putting instructions on how to do the different stitches for this entire pattern. Para kung gusto nyo rin gawin, you can do so. So, I think, besides doing the stitches, what took most of my time is actually attaching it to the hardware. So, medyo mahirap siyang ikabit because you have to really force it in there because of the lining of the bag. But overall, it was a fun experience. So, ayan siya. Sobrang cute. So, you can use it as a handbag or a shoulder bag. Yan. Alright, so if there are other hobbies or things that you have tried that you want me to try out or review, please comment it down below. And thank you guys for staying till the end. I hope you like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you on my next one. Bye!